Adding your boarding pass to your Apple Wallet is actually very easy, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is open your boarding pass. Now this is my boarding pass from 2019 and I'm going to use this as an example. Now as you can see, this boarding pass is from an airline, and usually when you check the boarding pass on the airline and you're able to verify it on the airline, they will give you the option to add to Apple Wallet from there, and that will be easier. But because mine is in the past, I'm unable to go to the airline to retrieve it. But what I'm going to do is, since I have this boarding pass and I have it locally, I'm going to go to a website called Passdrop. Now in Passdrop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the file onto the Passdrop app. Say boarding. Now I'm gonna agree to the terms and condition. I'm gonna click on process file, and it's gonna use AI to process the file. Now once that's done, you can see it has the icon to add to Apple Wallet down in the middle. Now I'm gonna click on add to wallet. They add all. Now I'm gonna come to my wallet, and as you can see here, I have my passes in my wallet. Now that's how to add boarding pass to Apple Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.